Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner. 欢迎再次回到 Bell 的 Learning Corner。小书的第2本应该是说第2系列的书。今天要学到的呢是我们的 shapes， 这边有很多的形状。那我们这一课会集中在 here is a 的句型，还有 it is a 的句型。那我们就用实体物品呢来认识它的 shapes。OK， 好，所以呢这一篇我们把它定成 party shapes。party shapes。好，所以呢来看看 come to my party and see the shapes。OK， 所以呢，他就邀请人家进来他的 party。Alright, so next one, here is a hat. It is a triangle. 好，再来下一个呢，他说 here is a game. 好，所以这是一个游戏哦。It is a rectangle。好，下一个 Here is a present. It is a square. Here is a birthday cake. It is a circle. Alright, next one. Here is a balloon. It is an oval. Alright. Pop. It was an oval. OK， 所以呢，不小心用破了那一个椭圆形的呢的 balloon 就 pop。OK， 好了，我们再重新念一次哦。记住，今天要学的是 shapes。形状，第一个看到这边我回去的时候，你们会再看到，我就再把字念一次 oval circle square rectangle triangle。 好，那我们来看看所有的形状的这个字呢，叫做 shapes。 好，那重新再跟着贝尔念一次哦。 OK, ready? Party shapes. Come to my party and see the shapes. Here's a hat. It is a triangle. Here's a game. It is a rectangle. Here's a present. It is a square. Here's a birthday cake. It is a circle. Here's a balloon. It is an oval. Pop. It was an oval. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.